Hello my dear family and friends, hope you all are doing well. Please support Siri Kitchen Moments channel and kindly provide your valuable feedback. Please watch the videos till the end for better clarity. Also, follow and tag Siri Kitchen Moments on different social media handles which I will post in the description section of this video. With that said, without further ado, let's get into our today's video. In today's video, let's prepare beetroot curry. Beetroot is a very great source of fiber and is packed with essential nutrients. So let's get into preparation of this beetroot curry. Firstly, heat a skillet and add 3 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is heated, season it with Bengal gram, black gram, cumin seeds, mustard seeds, red chilies and stir once. Now add curry leaves and stir slightly. At this point, when Bengal gram and black gram turn very light golden in color, that's when add chopped beetroot. Make sure you cut the ends of the beetroot, peel the skin, thoroughly rinse the beetroots, and then finally chop them into very fine small pieces. For this curry, I took 3 medium-sized beetroots. Stir the chopped beetroot and mix well with the seasoning. Cover with the lid and simmer the flame. After 10 minutes, remove the lid and stir to mix well. We need to keep checking the beetroots in between. Make sure all are mixed well. Now cover the lid again by making sure the flame is on low heat. After 5 to 10 minutes, make sure beetroots are soft and tender. At this stage, add salt as per your taste, but make sure to sprinkle little less and can add a bit more at the end if it's not suffice for the curry. If you add a lot at this point, then the curry might be too salty. So be mindful while sprinkling salt and then add a pinch of turmeric. Stir well and mix. Once we mix, now cover the lid for few minutes until the beetroot turns much softer to eat. Remove the lid and check if beetroot is soft and tender. Now add red chili powder as per your spice level. Stir for few minutes until the spices are mixed well. At the end, garnish with coriander leaves and stir. Turn off the flame and the beetroot curry is ready to be served. This is my wholesome meal. I have here beetroot curry that we just prepared. Along with it, I have semi-hand pounded brown rice, potato curry, lettuce for some salad, bottle gourd with lentils, which is sorakaya pappu in Telugu, mutton pickle, tamarind rasam, a cup of yogurt, few dry fruits. Here I have sliced almonds, walnuts, raisins as part of the dry fruits, and add little ghee on rice, curries, pappu, and enjoy the wholesome home-cooked food. This beetroot curry is perfect while doing intermittent fasting as well. Prepare, serve, and eat this simple beetroot curry and enjoy the fiber-rich nutrients. If anyone watching for the first time or haven't subscribed yet, please do so by clicking subscribe button. Also, click on the bell icon and select all notifications option so that as and when new videos are uploaded in Siri Kitchen Moments, you will receive immediate notifications. If you like this video, please do click on the like button. You can express your valuable opinions and suggestions in the comment section. Share this video to your loved ones. Please like, share, subscribe to Siri Kitchen Moments. Hugs and love from Siri Kitchen Moments.